Hello, I'm Salih. Welcome to my channel. I am with you again with the introduction video of our beautiful prefab building, Friends. Friends, in this video I will talk about what you see behind me. Our prefabric building is 82 square meters. I'm going to introduce it to you. We will explore inside and outside together. I will talk about the material used. I will discuss its features with you. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to hit the like button. To not miss my upcoming videos, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. You won't miss my upcoming videos, guys. Let's start our video then. Yes, friends, our building was established as 82 square meters of prefab housing. Our building ceiling height 280 standard prefab. Measurements: the walls will be 250, meaning 2.5 meters. But in this building, as per the customer's request, a 280 wall was used. This can optionally vary to 250, 280, 3 meters, friends. This building has a pitched roof, envelope roof, that is a 4-floor roof system was applied, friends. Again, red metal tile on the roof of our building. The material we call metal tile is not a plastic or similar material. Sheet is a material, friends. It is galvanized sheet. It is named metal tile because it looks like tile. The entrance door of our building is a steel door. The windows of our building are brown, and 70 series windows from Adobe were used. The screening process has been completely applied to both the windows and doors of our building.
Goodbye.
The interior and exterior paint of our building has been done. Doors, windows, lamps, sockets. The toilet, bowl, sink, ceramics are done, guys. Our building's rain relations. It's stock. Let me show you this way. Rain descents were installed. Gutters were installed. Our building is now completely our customer's surrender. We do. Our customer will now clean up and settle in, continue a comfortable life. We will continue in this house. Let me talk about some technical features. Our walls, in the form of 10 cm betopan and styrofoam. It is in the form of press panels. The betopan we used on the wall is produced by Ankara Tepe Group. It's original betopan, guys. The styrofoam is class B1, 16 density fire resistant styrofoam. The ceiling height of our building, it was designed to be 2.0 broken roof, envelope roof. It was done. The entire joint elements of our building are completely galvanized, guys. It goes by the name galvanized content. It is completely resistant to rust, mold and decay. On the exterior of our building, no coating process was done, guys. B-tops press panels were used. No covering or anything of that sort was applied on this. The joint elements on the wall are galvanized cross profiles are like we are seeing. Let's slowly move into our building. Let me show you the inside and introduce it to you guys. Yes, when we enter through the steel door, it was quite spacious. We are greeted by a 180 centimeter arm. There is a toilet bathroom right across. A bedroom on the right. The living room on the left. There is a bedroom immediately to the right and directly across from it on the left. There's also a kitchen. Let's start the tour right away from the bedroom on the right. This bedroom, 16 square meters, is quite spacious. A room. In this building, the windows were kept colored in the back. Our important science and disturbances. The color of the windows. Address gray, brown, white. This is entirely up to the customer's wish. Our doors are again covered with American press, but this time in a different color. Our roofs, our presses are installed. You often ask like, just can the chandelier be hung? Can it carry the weight, etc.? As you see here, chandelier, etc. This place is exactly 16 square meters, guys. Work was done on the floor. Laminate movement procedures were performed. Ceramic procedures were performed. It's now time for our customer to clean up and settle in. The customer's wish was to work on ceramics and the cupboard in the kitchen. When we left, the toilet, bathroom area, right away the bottom cabin, bottom area. The toilet section, the sink section is like this, friends. The customer wanted a Hilton sink in a Bolapli way. It was adapted for use this way. Let's move on to the kitchen part when we leave this room. In our kitchen section, somehow there is acrylic on top of the cabinets at the moment. The mountain gelatines are standing. Of course, our customer, who will clean and settle in. Should I lay the counter in this way? The sink, faucets, countertop and cabinets are all done. As I said, this is also according to the customer's request for customers who want acrylic or flat target or chipboard with a suitable budget. These are completely optional.
Friends, you.
No way, what a body.
Subtitles MK.
Now let's take a look at our living room finally.
I've gone to the front of the living room.
Aren't we?
Expand like this. We are at
Let
the
me
entrance.
show you.
Translation and subtitles, MK. Translation and subtitles.
4 meters to... There is a 7-meter living room, guys. Peace be upon you.
From the beginning of time,
It will be sufficient. There will definitely be those who want to find it more spacious, more airy. The usage rate and usage style is very important to everyone in buying buildings, constructing houses. These are very important for your use.
so
First and
usage of
foremost,
everything.
It's very important for you to be upset. We make our returns this wide. It would have been enough. In fact, we wanted to enlarge it a bit more. We say that such a room will be sufficient.
Top part is done.
Of course, this is a matter of preference. In this building of ours, there is no cladding process on the interior or exterior.
Let
in
me
any way.
plaster the
You are
wall.
seeing our union elements, hash profiles. As I said, as I've mentioned a lot in my previous videos, the job on the front is plastered to hide the assembly elements. Completely done for plating and plastering. A completely flat one, friends, it's being profited. This also includes processes like interior siding, dustonite coating or natural dust coating. We have created the image of a peripheral building, obtain a picture of freedom. While I remember, let me also mention this.
The floor height of our building is 2.80 friends. In our standard, the floor height in prefabricated buildings is 250, meaning 2.5 meters. This, optionally. You have the option to choose something like 2.80, 3 meters. Usually 3-meter buildings are used in school or hospital buildings. So for a normal residence, a 3-meter wall really becomes too high. Our 280 walls offer a very wide, very spacious use area, living area, friends.
Yes,
and there is
we
no
have
deity
come
but
to the
Allah.
end of another
We've come
video.
to the end. In this video, I tried to introduce and tour the 82 square meter flea factory residence as much as I can. I tried to explain the processes we performed, friends. If you liked my video, don't forget to press the like button. To not miss the upcoming videos, be in health, we have subscribe to my channel. By pressing the bell button, you won't miss the upcoming videos, friends. Goodbye and enjoy watching.